As we continue our journey through the Neanderthal legacy, we plunge further into the captivating and mysterious world of our ancient ancestors, a world that once teemed with life and innovation. These remarkable beings, who roamed across vast expanses of Europe and parts of Asia for hundreds of thousands of years, left behind a profound and intricate legacy that we are still tirelessly working to uncover. Their story is not just one of survival, but of resilience, intelligence, and extraordinary adaptation to the unforgiving forces of nature. Despite the harsh climates and challenges they faced, the Neanderthals flourished, carving out a life that was as complex and dynamic as their environment. Far from being mere primitive ancestors, the Neanderthals were sophisticated beings who exhibited an astonishing range of behaviors that reveal their immense cognitive abilities and rich cultural fabric. These ancient humans lived lives that defied the stereotypical image of brutish, survival-driven beings. Instead, they left behind a legacy of innovation and adaptability that underscores their remarkable intelligence. Their advanced tool-making skills, which rivaled the ingenuity of any species of their time, showcased an ability to not only solve problems but to anticipate challenges in their environment. The tools they crafted were specialized and multifaceted, tailored to various tasks such as hunting, butchering, and processing plant materials. This level of precision and foresight speaks to their ability to think abstractly and strategically. Beyond their technical prowess, the Neanderthals also demonstrated a profound sense of social cooperation and care for one another. Evidence of healed injuries and illnesses suggests they tended to their sick and wounded, an act that required not just compassion but the ability to allocate resources and plan for long-term care. This social cohesion likely played a crucial role in their ability to thrive in some of the harshest climates on Earth. Their communities were dynamic and interdependent, characterized by a division of labor that enhanced their collective survival and efficiency. Their ability to build shelters, adapt to diverse and extreme environments, and hunt large game in coordinated groups further highlights their resourcefulness. They were not mere scavengers but skilled hunters, capable of taking down formidable prey using complex strategies and teamwork. Such feats required not only physical strength but also advanced communication and planning, revealing a sophisticated level of cognitive development. With every archaeological discovery, our understanding of their intellectual and emotional lives deepens. For instance, the discovery of ornaments, pigments, and burial sites points to their capacity for symbolic thought and ritualistic behavior, hinting at a spiritual or philosophical dimension to their lives. These practices suggest they grappled with concepts such as identity, community, and perhaps even mortality. The Neanderthal story is not simply one of existence in a harsh and unforgiving world. It is a story of ingenuity, resilience, and triumph. It challenges us to rethink what it means to be human and forces us to recognize the profound strength of the human spirit. A spirit that began to emerge long before our own species walked the earth. Their legacy is a powerful reminder of our shared heritage, inspiring awe and respect for the complexity and depth of these extraordinary beings who were far more advanced than we once dared to imagine. The story of the Neanderthals transcends a mere chronicle of survival. It is a profound saga of groundbreaking innovation, unparalleled intelligence, and an extraordinary bond with the natural world. These ancient humans were not just passive inhabitants of their environment but active participants who shaped it with precision, creativity, and foresight. Their ability to craft tools of exceptional quality, each meticulously designed to meet specific needs, speaks volumes about their ingenuity and adaptability. These tools were not crude implements but masterpieces of functional design, ranging from finely honed weapons capable of bringing down massive prey to intricate carvings that whisper of symbolic and artistic expression. The Neanderthals demonstrated a remarkable ability to work with diverse materials such as stone, bone, wood, and even animal sinews, transforming these into versatile and durable tools. Their crafting techniques, including the innovative Levallois method, involved careful planning and execution, reflecting a level of cognitive sophistication that rivals early modern humans. Whether fashioning spear points for hunting, scrapers for processing animal hides, or needles for stitching together garments, their tools were not only practical but also a testament to their deep understanding of the properties of their environment. Beyond their craftsmanship, the Neanderthals' resilience in thriving within some of Earth's harshest environments underscores their extraordinary adaptability. From the icy tundras of Europe to the rugged terrains of the Middle East, they mastered the art of survival in diverse and extreme conditions. They built shelters from available materials, from simple caves to structures reinforced with wood and hides, demonstrating a capacity for engineering that ensured their protection and comfort. Their diet, which included a balance of large game, plants, and marine resources, further highlights their ability to exploit a wide array of ecosystems effectively. However, the story of the Neanderthals is not just one of practicality and survival. It is also one of connection and innovation that defies the stereotypical narrative of primitive existence. Evidence of symbolic behavior, such as the use of pigments for body decoration, the creation of jewelry, and the burial of their dead, offers glimpses into their inner lives. These practices hint at a deep sense of identity, community, and perhaps even a spiritual dimension to their existence. The deliberate arrangement of bones, ochre-stained artifacts, and tools at burial sites suggests they contemplated concepts of life, death, and memory. The Neanderthals were also social beings who valued cooperation and care. The discovery of individuals with severe injuries or disabilities who lived long after their afflictions indicates a level of altruism and communal support that is both moving and enlightening. Their social structures were likely complex, woven together by shared experiences, communication, and mutual dependence. In their story, we find a narrative that challenges our understanding of early humans. They were not just surviving against the odds. They were thriving, innovating, and connecting with their world in ways that mirror our own human experience. The legacy of the Neanderthals is one of triumph, ingenuity, and a profound connection to their environment. A tale that resonates across the ages and invites us to reconsider the boundaries of human potential and achievement. With each new discovery, their story becomes not only more detailed but also more inspiring, a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity in all its forms. The Neanderthals' ability to survive and thrive in challenging environments was rooted not only in their technical skills, but also in the strength of their social structures and emotional depth. Their communities were intricately organized, with a profound sense of interdependence and responsibility that ensured the well-being of every member. Far from being isolated individuals, Neanderthals lived in tightly knit groups where each person had a vital role to play, whether as hunters, gatherers, toolmakers, or caregivers. This cohesion and cooperation were pivotal to their success, enabling them to navigate the harsh realities of their world with resilience and unity. Their care for the vulnerable, be it the elderly, the injured, or the young, offers a glimpse into their remarkable sense of compassion and empathy. Archaeological findings reveal skeletons of Neanderthals who had suffered debilitating injuries yet lived for years afterward, a clear indication that their communities supported and nurtured them. Such acts of care challenge the outdated stereotype of Neanderthals as primitive and unfeeling. Instead, they suggest a profound level of social complexity and altruism that rivals even that of early Homo sapiens. Moreover, Neanderthal life was enriched by a deep connection to symbolic and abstract thought. Evidence of their burial practices reveals more than a practical disposal of the dead. It hints at rituals imbued with meaning. Graves have been found that include tools, flowers, and pigments, all carefully placed as if to honor the deceased. These artifacts suggest that Neanderthals contemplated concepts of mortality, memory, and perhaps even an afterlife, signaling a nascent form of spirituality or cultural identity. This recognition of life and death as something more than mere biological processes reflects a level of intellectual and emotional sophistication that was long underestimated. Their symbolic behavior extended beyond burials. The use of ochre and other pigments for body decoration, as well as the crafting of ornaments from bones, shells, and teeth, indicates an appreciation for aesthetics and personal expression. These artifacts, though seemingly simple, reveal a complex inner world where creativity and identity played a significant role. Neanderthals were not only pragmatic but also imaginative, capable of envisioning and expressing ideas that transcended their immediate needs. The discoveries of their communication skills further dismantle the myth of the brutish Neanderthal. Anatomical studies suggest they possessed the physical ability to produce a range of sounds akin to modern human speech, implying they likely had some form of language. This ability to communicate would have been essential for organizing hunts, teaching tool-making techniques, and fostering social bonds, underscoring the intellectual depth of their interactions. These revelations force us to reconsider the narrative of human evolution. Neanderthals were not simply physical survivors in an unforgiving world. They were thinkers, creators, and caretakers. They formed communities built on trust, shared responsibilities, and emotional connections, and they engaged with their environment in ways that were both practical and profoundly symbolic. Their legacy is not one of brutish simplicity but of nuanced complexity, painting a vivid picture of a species capable of abstract thought, deep empathy, and cultural innovation. With every archaeological discovery, the image of Neanderthals evolves, revealing them to be far more than the caricature of early humans we once imagined. They were beings of immense intellectual and emotional depth, whose lives were as rich and multifaceted as their environment was harsh. Their story is a testament to the strength of community, the power of innovation, and the profound capacity for humanity that existed long before our own species came to dominate the Earth. The relationship between Neanderthals and early Homo sapiens was a rich and intricate tapestry of interactions that defies simplistic interpretations. Far from being defined solely by conflict or competition for resources, their coexistence was marked by a complex interplay of rivalry, collaboration, and mutual influence. Recent archaeological and genetic findings have unveiled a narrative that highlights the depth and nuance of this interspecies relationship, reshaping our understanding of human evolution. While it is true that Neanderthals and Homo sapiens occasionally vied for territory and resources, evidence suggests that their interactions extended far beyond mere survival tactics. Traces of shared tool-making techniques and hunting strategies indicate that these two species likely learned from one another. The discovery of similar lithic technologies and innovations in overlapping regions implies a dynamic exchange of ideas. This intellectual interplay may have enabled both species to adapt more efficiently to the harsh and fluctuating environments of the Ice Age. But the exchange was not limited to tools and survival strategies. There is growing evidence of cultural and possibly even ritualistic sharing. Items such as ornaments, pigments, and symbolic carvings, recovered from sites inhabited by both Neanderthals and early Homo sapiens, hint at shared artistic or spiritual practices. These artifacts, though subtle, suggest a level of cultural fusion that challenges the notion of Neanderthals as isolated or less complex than their Homo sapien counterparts. Perhaps the most profound connection between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens lies in the genetic legacy they left behind. Advanced DNA sequencing has revealed that interbreeding between the two species occurred multiple times over tens of thousands of years. The genetic traces of these unions are not insignificant. A portion of modern humans' genomes, particularly those of non-African descent, can be directly traced to Neanderthal ancestry. These inherited genes have been linked to various traits, ranging from immune system advantages to specific physical characteristics, underscoring the biological impact of this interspecies connection. The implications of this genetic intermingling are profound. They speak to a level of integration that goes beyond mere coexistence, suggesting periods of collaboration, coexistence, and even intimate relationships. The children of these unions would have been living embodiments of both lineages, bridging two species in a way that has left an indelible mark on modern humanity. Even today, the Neanderthal legacy persists within us. The genetic contributions they made continue to influence aspects of our health, physiology, and even susceptibility to certain diseases. This enduring bond serves as a poignant reminder of the interconnectedness of our evolutionary journey. It challenges us to view Neanderthals not as a distant and distinct other, but as an integral part of our shared human story. The story of Neanderthals and Homo sapiens is one of complexity and connection, revealing a past that is far richer and more interwoven than previously imagined. Their relationship was not merely a fleeting interaction, but a profound and multifaceted chapter in the history of life on Earth. It is a story of competition and cooperation, of shared innovations and enduring legacies, a narrative that continues to shape the very essence of who we are as a species. As we delve deeper into the lives of the Neanderthals, we uncover a profound and intricate relationship with the land they inhabited, an unparalleled bond that speaks to their intelligence, adaptability, and intimate understanding of the natural world. These ancient humans were not mere occupants of their environment. They were skilled navigators of its complexities, employing an exceptional blend of observation, ingenuity, and resilience to thrive in an ever-changing landscape. The Neanderthals demonstrated a remarkable ability to track and hunt a wide variety of animals, from massive mammoths to swift deer, employing strategies tailored to the behaviors and habitats of their prey. Their hunting techniques showcased an acute understanding of animal migration patterns, seasonal behaviors, and the topography of their surroundings. They were not merely hunters but master strategists, coordinating group efforts that required planning, communication, and precision. Beyond hunting, Neanderthals displayed a deep knowledge of plant life. Archaeological evidence reveals that they harvested a diverse array of vegetation, not only for sustenance but also for medicinal purposes. Residue analysis of their tools and teeth has identified traces of plants with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, indicating a sophisticated use of natural remedies to treat injuries and illnesses. This understanding of the healing properties of plants reflects their ability to observe and interpret the nuances of their environment. Their dietary flexibility further underscores their adaptability. Neanderthals were adept at modifying their diets to suit the changing seasons and the availability of resources. In colder climates, they relied heavily on meat, supplementing their intake with nutrient-rich marrow and fat, while in milder seasons, they expanded their diets to include nuts, berries, and tubers. This dietary diversity not only ensured their survival but also contributed to their robust physicality and resilience. Equally impressive was their ability to construct shelters that provided refuge from harsh climates and predators. Using materials readily available in their surroundings, such as wood, bone, and hides, Neanderthals built structures that were both functional and durable. These shelters were often strategically located near resources such as water, game, or raw materials for toolmaking, reflecting careful planning and environmental awareness. What sets the Neanderthals apart is that their survival strategies extended beyond immediate needs. Their practices often hinted at a forward-thinking approach, ensuring sustainability for future generations. Evidence of communal food sharing and collective care for the young and elderly suggests a deep commitment to the continuity of their communities. This long-term perspective demonstrates a profound connection to their environment, one that prioritized not just survival, but the well-being of their descendants. The Neanderthals' relationship with their land was a dynamic interplay of knowledge, innovation, and respect. They were not passive inhabitants but active stewards, shaping and being shaped by the landscapes they called home. Their ability to harmonize with nature's rhythms, to adapt to its challenges, and to leverage its resources with precision and care paints a vivid picture of a species whose legacy extends far beyond their time. This profound connection to the natural world offers us not only a window into their lives, but also enduring lessons about resilience, ingenuity, and the delicate balance between humanity and the environment. The Neanderthals' extraordinary ability to endure extreme climates, tackle formidable prey, and craft tools of unparalleled precision presents a compelling narrative of a species that did far more than merely survive. They thrived as pioneers of innovation and adaptation. These ancient humans demonstrated an unrivaled ingenuity in harnessing the resources of their surroundings, enabling them to build a life marked by resilience, creativity, and ingenuity, even in some of the harshest conditions imaginable. Their mastery of toolmaking was a cornerstone of their success. Over generations, the Neanderthals refined their techniques, resulting in increasingly specialized and efficient tools that reflected both their evolving needs and their deep understanding of the environment. The pinnacle of their craftsmanship was embodied in the Mousterian tradition, a collection of intricately designed tools crafted primarily from flint. These tools were far from rudimentary. They were purpose-built for a variety of tasks, from the butchering of large game to the preparation of hides, the crafting of wooden implements, and even tasks as delicate as piercing or scraping. What makes these advancements truly remarkable is the level of foresight and planning they reveal. Neanderthals demonstrated an acute ability to anticipate their future needs, often stockpiling raw materials or preemptively crafting tools to prepare for specific tasks. Their strategic approach to toolmaking indicates not just practical skill but a capacity for abstract thought, forward planning, and problem-solving, traits that blur the once clear line between them and modern Homo sapiens. Moreover, their innovative use of materials further highlights their ingenuity. Beyond stone, Neanderthals worked with bone, antler, and even plant fibers, incorporating diverse materials into their toolkits. This versatility and willingness to experiment underscore their adaptive mindset, a key factor in their ability to thrive across a wide range of environments, from the frigid tundras of Ice Age Europe to the temperate forests and plains of the Mediterranean. Their relationship with their tools extended beyond mere functionality. It was a testament to their cultural and cognitive complexity. The precision with which they crafted these implements, often selecting high-quality raw materials and employing advanced flaking techniques, suggests an aesthetic appreciation and a level of skill that rivaled or even surpassed contemporary Homo sapiens in certain regions. This craftsmanship was not only a means of survival but also a reflection of a rich intellectual life that continues to challenge traditional narratives about early human evolution. In addition to toolmaking, the Neanderthals' ability to adapt to extreme climates stands as a testament to their resourcefulness. During glacial periods, they developed strategies to insulate themselves against the cold, such as crafting cloaks from animal hides or constructing shelters in caves and open landscapes. These adaptations required a deep understanding of their environment and an ability to innovate in the face of adversity. The Neanderthal story is not just one of survival against the odds. It is a tale of triumph, of a species that embraced the challenges of their world with determination and creativity. Their legacy of innovation and adaptation is a testament to the depth of their cognitive abilities, their cultural sophistication, and their enduring contributions to the human story. With every discovery, we are reminded of their ingenuity, a legacy that continues to shape our understanding of what it means to be human. The Neanderthals' ability to shape stone, bone, and other materials into functional weapons, cooking tools, and protective implements reveals a profound understanding of their environment and its resources. Their expertise went beyond the simple crafting of tools. It extended to the precise design of instruments that allowed them to hunt large game, prepare food, and safeguard themselves from harsh elements. The tools they created showcased a level of creativity and innovation that reflected a mindset capable of analysis, planning, and foresight. Their design of weapons was meticulous, enabling them to confidently and effectively tackle massive and dangerous prey, which helped ensure a steady food supply for their communities. At the same time, they excelled in creating specialized tools for food preparation, such as scrapers and cutting implements, demonstrating their advanced skills in processing food resources and optimizing their use. They did not neglect their protection against the extreme conditions of the environments they inhabited. They designed protective tools and multipurpose knives that were useful for building shelters or preparing clothing from animal hides, allowing them to adapt to harsh climates, from icy terrains to arid deserts. This excellence in tool use was not just a response to immediate needs, but part of an integrated approach to utilizing their surroundings in ways that contributed to the long-term sustainability of their communities. This is evident in their societal organization, where they passed down knowledge of toolmaking and craftsmanship through generations, leading to continuous improvements in their tools and advancements in their culture. The Neanderthals' ability to modify their environment to meet their needs goes beyond survival, standing as a testament to their adaptive intelligence and continuous innovation. These capabilities are not just evidence of their technical prowess, but also a reflection of their intellectual strength and social cooperation, which allowed them not only to survive nature's challenges, but to build thriving, sustainable communities in some of the harshest climates on Earth. The mysterious disappearance of the Neanderthals around 40,000 years ago remains one of the most intriguing and debated puzzles in human history. Scientists and historians have put forward several theories to explain this extinction, including environmental shifts due to climate change, the spread of diseases, and the increasing dominance of Homo sapiens, who gradually replaced or interbred with the Neanderthal populations. Despite these possibilities, the exact cause remains elusive, leaving room for continued speculation and research. While the Neanderthals themselves vanished from the Earth, their legacy did not fade into obscurity. Modern scientific advances, particularly in the field of genetics, have uncovered the enduring traces of Neanderthal DNA in present-day human populations. This genetic imprint is not just a faint memory, but a significant part of our biological makeup. Studies show that many people of non-African descent carry between 1 to 2% Neanderthal DNA, influencing everything from our immune systems to skin, hair, and even some aspects of behavior. These genetic contributions offer a direct link between us and the Neanderthals, proving that their influence continues to shape our biology and development. Some researchers speculate that certain Neanderthal genes might have even played a role in our survival, contributing to the way we adapted to different environments or responded to diseases. The enduring presence of Neanderthal DNA also challenges traditional ideas about the relationship between Homo sapiens and Neanderthals. Rather than being a tale of complete replacement or extinction, this genetic legacy suggests that the Neanderthals were not simply wiped out. They left a lasting mark on our genetic history, one that continues to inform who we are as a species today. The story of the Neanderthals, then, is far from over. Their influence, both biological and cultural, lives on, offering a fascinating connection to our distant past that continues to reshape our understanding of human evolution. Studies have revealed that traces of Neanderthal DNA are not only present in the genomes of people from diverse regions across the globe, but these genetic echoes also carry profound implications for our understanding of human evolution. This genetic inheritance is most evident in key areas of our biology, including the immune system, skin, and hair traits, where Neanderthal genes continue to influence our health and physical characteristics. Some studies suggest that this Neanderthal DNA has provided important evolutionary advantages, including resistance to certain diseases and the ability to adapt to varying environmental conditions. This lasting imprint serves as a powerful testament to the Neanderthals' enduring influence on the trajectory of our species. Despite their eventual decline, their contributions to human biology, cognition, and culture continue to shape who we are today, offering a profound reminder of the deep and interconnected roots of our shared evolutionary journey. The story of the Neanderthals may have ended long ago, but their genetic legacy remains an indelible part of our human heritage, shaping not just our past, but also our present and future. Their presence within us is a vivid reflection of how the past continues to resonate through time, influencing everything from our immune responses to the very ways we perceive and interact with the world around us. As we carry the imprint of their resilience and adaptability, we are reminded that the Neanderthals were not merely a precursor to Homo sapiens, but a dynamic, innovative, and vital part of the evolutionary story that has shaped the human experience. Reflecting on the Neanderthal legacy provides us with a profound reminder that human evolution is far from a simple, linear progression. The Neanderthals were not a homogeneous or primitive group. Rather, they were a diverse and remarkably adaptable species, capable of thriving in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Their story is not just one of survival, but of resilience, innovation, and an extraordinary capacity for adaptation. They carved out an existence in climates that would have defeated many other species, mastering the elements with their resourcefulness, intelligence, and social cohesion. In their complex social structures, their innovative tool-making techniques, and their ability to adapt to environmental changes, the Neanderthals demonstrate a profound depth of cognitive and cultural sophistication. They were far more than mere survivors. They were agents of transformation, whose influence endures in the very fabric of our genetic and cultural makeup. Through their legacy, we are reminded that humanity's journey is a rich and complex tapestry, shaped by the interplay of diverse hominin species, each contributing in their own unique way to the story of our evolution. The challenges they faced, from glacial ice ages to fierce predators, were met not with brute force alone, but with creativity and collaboration. The Neanderthals were far from primitive. They embodied the very essence of human ingenuity, showcasing not just physical strength but mental resilience. These were beings capable of not just surviving but thriving under the most difficult of circumstances, offering us a vivid example of the power of human determination and ingenuity. Their ability to create and evolve tools for hunting, shelter, and daily life, as well as their social bonds and possible spiritual practices, suggests a species far more advanced than once imagined. The Neanderthal legacy teaches us that the path of human evolution is not a straightforward journey, but a complex mosaic of diverse threads, each contributing to the rich tapestry of humanity's story. Their resourcefulness in adapting to ever-changing environments, their skill in forging deep social bonds, and the ways in which they innovated tools and technology to meet their needs all serve as profound lessons. These attributes reveal the true depth of their intelligence and ability to solve problems, reflecting not just survival instincts, but a broader vision for a sustainable existence. As we continue to uncover their history, we learn not just about them, but about ourselves, about our own potential for resilience, adaptation, and innovation in the face of adversity. The Neanderthal experience reminds us that innovation is not solely a product of modern civilization, but something deeply embedded in our evolutionary past. Their story challenges us to reflect on how we, too, can draw on creativity, collaboration, and determination to overcome the obstacles of our time, ensuring that their legacy is not just preserved in our genes but also in the very way we live and interact with the world. In their ability to overcome adversity, whether by crafting sophisticated tools, developing complex social structures, or enduring extreme climates, the Neanderthals offer us invaluable lessons. They remind us that progress is often shaped not only by our initial response to challenges, but also by our capacity to adapt, rethink, and innovate when faced with adversity. The Neanderthals didn't simply survive. They adapted, evolved, and thrived in environments that were at times unimaginably harsh, showing a profound understanding of their surroundings and an extraordinary ability to reshape them to their advantage. Their resilience in the face of shifting landscapes, ice ages, and relentless predators is a testament to their resourcefulness and unwavering determination. They didn't just endure, they found ways to turn their challenges into opportunities. By reimagining their tools, social systems, and survival strategies, they continuously discovered new ways to navigate the difficulties they encountered, ensuring their existence even in the most unforgiving conditions. This ability to innovate and adapt, whether in response to changing climates or to the demands of social cooperation, speaks volumes about their cognitive and cultural sophistication. The Neanderthal story is not simply one of survival against the odds, but one of thriving through the relentless pursuit of improvement. Their legacy is a reminder that true progress often requires an openness to change and the courage to evolve. In the face of our own challenges, we would do well to look to the Neanderthals as a model of perseverance and ingenuity, remembering that the ability to adapt is one of the greatest strengths we possess as a species. As we navigate our own modern struggles, whether in the realms of climate change, technological disruption, or social upheaval, we can look to the Neanderthals' example of perseverance and ingenuity as a powerful source of inspiration. Their ability to endure and thrive in the face of extreme conditions through creativity, collaboration, and adaptability offers a profound reminder that resilience is not simply about surviving. It is about evolving, learning, and finding innovative solutions to overcome even the greatest challenges. The Neanderthals mastered their environment not only by meeting immediate needs, but by continuously evolving their strategies, demonstrating an impressive capacity for both short-term survival and long-term sustainability. Their innovation in toolmaking, their deep social bonds, and their ability to adapt to changing climates and ecosystems teach us that the key to overcoming adversity lies not in maintaining the status quo, but in being open to change and new possibilities. In facing our own modern challenges, the lessons of the Neanderthals encourage us to embrace transformation, seek out creative solutions, and approach our struggles with the same courage and ingenuity that enabled them to persist for tens of thousands of years. Their resilience wasn't merely about enduring. It was about thriving through adaptation and foresight, qualities we too can cultivate in the face of our evolving world. The Neanderthal legacy shows us that, just as they shaped their future through innovation, so too can we shape ours, ensuring that our resilience leads us toward a more sustainable and prosperous future. Their story also encourages us to reconsider our place in the natural world. The Neanderthals were not solitary, isolated beings. They were an integral part of a broader tapestry of life, intricately woven into the fabric of their environment and interconnected with other species. They coexisted with a diverse array of flora and fauna, forming a symbiotic relationship with the ecosystems they inhabited. Their survival was not only a result of their ability to adapt, but also of their profound understanding of these interconnections. Neanderthals' interactions with their surroundings went beyond mere survival. They actively shaped the environment through their hunting practices, selective use of resources, and even the preservation of certain species. For example, their hunting techniques helped regulate animal populations, ensuring a balance within their ecosystem. By carefully choosing their resources, they minimized waste, demonstrating a keen sense of environmental stewardship. Furthermore, their knowledge of medicinal plants and their potential uses highlights their deep connection to the natural world, suggesting a relationship built on respect, observation, and understanding. This interconnectedness with nature is a stark contrast to modern-day human tendencies to exploit and often disregard the balance of our ecosystems. The Neanderthals' approach to living in harmony with their environment offers us a valuable lesson on the importance of sustainability and respect for the natural world. As we face unprecedented environmental challenges today, reflecting on the Neanderthal legacy can inspire a renewed commitment to fostering a more balanced and harmonious relationship with the Earth and all the life it sustains. Understanding the Neanderthals' legacy helps us recognize the deep, shared roots of human history and reminds us of the intricate web of connections that have shaped our development. As we grapple with the challenges of the modern world, climate change, biodiversity loss, and the erosion of natural habitats, we are reminded that humanity's future is inextricably tied to the health of the ecosystems we inhabit. The Neanderthal story invites us to reflect on our place within this larger natural world, urging us to reconnect with the land, with nature, and with the species we share it with. The Neanderthals were not just survivors of their environment. They were deeply attuned to its rhythms, aware of the delicate balance between their needs and the needs of the land. Their practices, whether through sustainable hunting or the careful selection of plants for food and medicine, showcase an early understanding of the importance of preserving the natural world. By studying their way of life, we can gain insights into how to live more harmoniously with the Earth, learning from their example of environmental stewardship. As we face global challenges, we must remember that our relationship with nature is not just one of exploitation, but one of interdependence. Like the Neanderthals, we too are part of a larger ecosystem, and the choices we make today will echo through the future. The Neanderthal legacy encourages us to rethink how we interact with the world around us, guiding us to adopt a more sustainable, mindful approach to living. It is a call to reconnect with the land, to recognize the value of all species, and to work toward a future where humanity and nature can coexist in harmony. In honoring the Neanderthals, we not only celebrate our ancestors, but also gain profound insight into our collective potential to adapt and thrive in an ever-changing world. Their resilience, creativity, and profound understanding of the world around them offer valuable lessons for how we can navigate our own challenges and build a more sustainable future, one that embraces our connection to the environment and to each other. The Neanderthals' ability to innovate under pressure, form complex social bonds, and shape their surroundings in harmony with nature is a testament to the strength of human determination and adaptability. As we face the challenges of the modern world, their legacy serves as a reminder that survival isn't just about enduring the trials we face, but also about learning, evolving, and finding ways to live sustainably. Their story encourages us to reimagine our future, pushing us to think creatively, work collaboratively, and recognize our responsibility as stewards of the planet. In a world marked by rapid technological advancements and environmental crises, the Neanderthals' example teaches us that the key to thriving lies not in domination over nature, but in understanding, respecting, and working with it. Their legacy is not only about the past, but also about the future. A future where we honor our shared history and embrace our potential for innovation, cooperation, and resilience. By looking to the Neanderthals, we can find the inspiration to overcome the challenges of today and build a world that reflects the wisdom of our ancestors and the promise of our collective potential. Through the study of Neanderthals, we uncover not just the story of a long-lost species, but a mirror reflecting our own origins and evolution. Their intricate culture, social organization, and remarkable innovations provide a profound lens through which we can better understand the roots of our own humanity. The Neanderthal legacy illuminates the complexity of human evolution, showing that it is not a simple, linear progression, but rather a diverse and intricate journey shaped by countless influences, environmental challenges, and adaptive responses over millennia. In unraveling the Neanderthal narrative, we come to realize that their story is interwoven with our own. The advances they made in toolmaking, social cohesion, and survival strategies, as well as their ability to adapt to extreme environments, directly challenge the outdated perceptions of early humans as crude and unrefined. Instead, we discover that Neanderthals possessed a rich, dynamic culture and cognitive abilities that were essential in shaping the trajectory of human development. Their legacy is not only part of our shared history, but also an integral part of what has made us who we are today. By studying the Neanderthals, we gain more than just insight into their lives. We learn about the interconnectedness of all human beings, past and present. Their story reinforces the idea that human evolution is a mosaic, not just of progress, but also of adaptation, innovation, and resilience in the face of ever-changing challenges. It reminds us that who we are today is not just the result of a singular path, but the culmination of numerous encounters, innovations, and the enduring spirit to survive and thrive. The Neanderthal legacy urges us to reflect on our own journey as a species, inspiring us to continue evolving, learning from the past, and forging a future that honors the complexity and beauty of our shared human heritage. As we continue to explore the world of the Neanderthals, we draw closer to recognizing the shared history that binds all humans, revealing a deep and interconnected past that is woven into the very fabric of who we are today. The very traits that we once considered uniquely human, our creativity, our social bonds, our ability to innovate, were also present in our ancient ancestors, offering us valuable insight into the depths of our shared evolutionary journey. The Neanderthals, long thought of as a distant and separate branch of humanity, now stand as a testament to the complexity and richness of our collective heritage. Their capacity for advanced toolmaking, symbolic thinking, and social cooperation not only challenges earlier assumptions about the simplicity of early human life, but also highlights the remarkable depth of their intellect and emotional understanding. It is in these very traits that echo through the annals of our own history, that we see the profound ways in which our evolutionary paths have intertwined, each thread contributing to the development of the modern human experience. As we continue to study the Neanderthals, we come to appreciate that their story is not simply one of extinction, but one of adaptation, innovation, and enduring connection. Their legacy lives on in us, not just in our genes, but in the ways we think, create, and relate to one another. The study of their culture, their social dynamics, and their environmental adaptations provides a window into the shared human story, one that transcends time and place, and binds us all in a deeper understanding of what it means to be human. By examining the Neanderthal legacy, we not only learn about their survival and adaptation, but also recognize that our own history is far more complex and intertwined than we once thought. The path of human evolution is a vast tapestry of shared experiences, knowledge exchanges, and mutual influences, with the Neanderthals playing a pivotal role in shaping the world that came after them. Their existence and eventual interactions with Homo sapiens left an indelible mark on the course of human history, offering insights into how cultures, innovations, and biological traits are passed down through generations. As we delve deeper into the lives of the Neanderthals, it becomes clear that their contributions to human development are far-reaching, influencing everything from our genetic makeup to the ways we communicate and collaborate. The blending of Neanderthal and Homo sapiens traits has shaped the diverse range of characteristics we see in modern humans today. Through this ongoing exploration, we continue to learn about the richness and interconnectedness of our shared past, which serves as a bridge connecting us to those who came before. This evolving understanding emphasizes the importance of looking at history not as a series of isolated events, but as a continuous thread woven together by countless influences. The Neanderthals' legacy reminds us that our present and future are deeply rooted in the collective experiences of all those who contributed to the human story. Their presence, though no longer physically with us, continues to shape our lives in ways we are only beginning to fully comprehend. This documentary is an ongoing journey, delving into the fascinating world of a species that once shared the Earth with us. The Neanderthals were not merely the ancestors of modern humans. They were a vital part of our evolutionary history, leaving a legacy that still influences our lives today. Their story is one of survival against the odds, remarkable innovation, and the profound connections that unite all humans, no matter their background. Thank you for joining us on this exploration as we continue to uncover the extraordinary lives and enduring impact of our ancient ancestors.